Welcome to a cutting edge short. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simplified version of sauce Bearnaise that goes well with any grilled meat or fish for that matter. Let's go. The first step is we have to create a vinegar reduction. I have here 100 milliliter of tarragon infused white wine vinegar, and then I have 2 finely chopped shallots, and then 1.5 tablespoons of dried tarragon, and then I'm taking half of my chopped chervil here, about a tablespoon for this reduction. Then we're going to give it a good pinch of freshly ground pepper, and then we're going to reduce this until almost dry. When it's reduced to almost nothing, like this, we transfer this to a round bottom bowl, like this, over a water bath. We add a splash of water, maybe a tablespoon or so, and 3 egg yolks, and then we start whisking. And we keep on whisking until the eggs starts thickening. Be careful with your temperature here. That's why we have it over a water bath like this, so that we can control that we do not create scrambled eggs. When the egg starts thickening, we will start adding butter lump by lump. Once the first is melted, you add in the next. Be careful not to add too much at a time, otherwise the sauce will cool down too much. And you'll keep adding butter until you have the right consistency. I'm thinking, oops, 1-2 lumps more and I'm done here. When you see you get the right thickness on the sauce, that looks about right to me. And then the final touch is to add the rest of the chopped chervil, and this is mostly for appearance purposes because the taste is mostly in the vinegar reduction. There you go. Perfect, creamy Bearnaise. Once it cools down, you give it a taste and add salt till you have the right flavor on your sauce. And give it another go, just to see. Perfect.